We're short 10 million builders globally, not coders, not marketers, builders. By 2050, that doubles to 20 million. You can't type, "Hey AI, build me a house." ChatGPT can draft your breakup text, not a damn home. Meanwhile, the world's population is exploding. 8 to 10 billion in a blink of an eye. 150 million already homeless. That's not a red flag. That's a fire. Talking about fire and homelessness, in the US, they're still stapling plywood together and calling it a home. 1.3 million stick-built houses a year. Trades are vanishing. The only thing going up? Rent. And we're still stapling plywood like it's 1925. It's not a shortage. It's a global construction traffic jam. McKinsey, EY, all brightest consultants are ringing the alarm in glossy PDFs. But let's be real. No report ever laid a brick or saved a housing market. This isn't doom. It's data, and it's already happening. Muscle won't fix it. Systems will. Robotics, prefab, tech like System 3E. And guess what? That's why we're now shipping to far places from Poland, which never crossed our mind. South Korea, Portugal, Spain, the Caribbean. Also, tiny islands that didn't even ask for us before are now like, "Hey, can we get System 3E in a container by tomorrow?" Why is that? Because labor there is even scarcer. People are paying for the System 3E blocks, like it's Louis Vuitton's Soho purse. Portugal? 45 euros just to ship the wall, which equals what they can get in regular bricks across the street, plus 100 euros for the blocks. Why? You think they're rich? No! This ain't Paris Hilton's long-lost cousins. These are normal folks. The difference? They can't find workers. And if by some divine miracle they do, it costs the same as getting your McLaren serviced at midnight on New Year's Eve. That's your ROI right there. Killing skilled labor cost in one shot. One guy smashed a 100 square meter house in Braga in 14 hours, and you're seeing his time lapse he did. No skilled labor involved, no advanced recording as well. But it's real. South Korea? Same. No tools, no qualified crew. Click, click, done. Faster than a bite of kimchi. Ireland? It needs 70,000 homes annually, builds 30,000. Homeless tents in Dublin are growing quicker than mold in their houses. Only 20 to 30 bricklayers enter Irish market per year. Even Ryanair had to build housing for their crews. Ireland is literally begging for our product. Now the building certifications are being sorted out. Spain? Youth unemployment at 20%, still no one laying bricks. They're playing beach volleyball and sipping sangrias. Worldwide, young gens dance on TikTok and drink lattes. We've got a craftless society, influencers, crypto bros, and AI whisperers, but not enough people who can tile a bathroom. And it's only getting worse. No one can stop this trend now, so we invented our click-click building method. It's Lego for grown-ups, dry assembled, plug and play, insulating walls that lock like a Tyson clinch. Build like it's the future, or get buried like it's the past.